Welcome to another video, the same every time, IGCSE Maths, GCSE Maths, looking at the kind of questions that apart from the numbers are the same every time. Learn how to do them, practice, get yourself into the marks, you get yourself into the grades. We're looking at probability tree diagrams, and a typical question here gives you some information about a situation in the words, and they already have the tree diagram there, partly filled in. And our first task is to fill in the tree diagram. We can already do some of this without looking at the words, because we should remember that on any tree diagram, the pairs of branches that are next to each other have probabilities that add up to make 1. So 1 minus 0.45, immediately I can see that the not win probability there is 0.55. So I can do that without filling in, without actually reading the words. But I need to read the words now. So a darts team is going to play a match on Saturday and on Sunday. So see how the tree diagram goes. On Saturday they can win or not win, and then they play again on Sunday, win, not win, or win, not win. The probability that the team will win on Saturday is 0.45, so not win is 0.55. Now, if they win on Saturday, so we're looking at this situation here. If they win on Saturday, the probability that they will win on Sunday is 0.67. So 0.67 goes in there. If they do not win on Saturday, so that's that one there, the probability that they will win on Sunday, so that's that one, is 0.35. So I've got those from the words there, and I can fill in the rest of the probabilities. 1 minus 0.67, 0.33. These pairs of probabilities have to add up to make 1. 1 minus 0.35 is 0.65, so the pairs of probabilities add up to make 1. There's my tree diagram filled in. That's 2 marks. Now, as you might know, if you've watched the previous videos, at this stage, I like to write down all of the possible outcomes so that I know that I've organized my thinking and I'm ready to answer the next part of the question. Because the next part of the question will ask me to use the tree diagram for something. So we've got, first of all then, we can go this way, so that will be win and win. Win on Saturday, win on Sunday. Then we can go that way, so that will be win and not win. Then we could go this way, then this way, so that's not win and win, so not win on Saturday, win on Sunday. Then that way, would be not win and not win. So I've organized my thinking, I have all my options written down, and I'm ready to answer the next part of the question. So the next part of the question says this: find the probability that the team will win exactly one of the 2 matches. Of course, in these probability questions, we need to know the words that are associated with these questions. We had in a previous video this phrase, at least one. Well, at least one would mean 1 or more than 1. But exactly 1 means, well, it means exactly that. It means 1. So we need to look down my list of outcomes here. So exactly 1 of the 2 matches. The first outcome, win and win, well, that's 2 matches, so that's not exactly 1. So exactly 1 would be this. Win and not win, that's exactly 1 win, and not win and win has exactly 1 win. The fourth option there, not win and not win, of course, doesn't have any wins at all. Now we work out the probability, remembering that if we go from left to right on our tree diagram, so we're going there and there, we must multiply. So 0.45, and remember that's an and in probability language, translates to a multiply, 0.33. The other option is we go down there, not win and win, so that would be 0.55 and, or multiply, 0.35. And remember, if I'm going down my options here, then I need to plus them because it's an or, isn't it? Remember, in probability, or translates into a plus, so it's either win and not win or not win and win. Okay, calculator job, so 0.45 times 0.33 plus 0.55 times 0.35, that is going to give me this answer, which is 0.341. And I've said it before, because the question is giving me probabilities in decimals, I'm going to write my final answer as a decimal as well. If the video was useful, then please press the like button. Please also subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. I will return in the next video.